In today's video, I'm giving you a closer look at the Urban Decay Elements Palette. So if you want to see how these shadows swatch and how to create this beautiful look, then let's get started. Urban Decay sent me this palette to try out, and I'm so excited to give you a closer look. This palette is inspired by the elements: earth, fire, water, and air. It also has a celestial, cosmic vibe to it. I also love the packaging, which perfectly brings all of these components together. It has 19 new multi-dimensional pigments, which include bright mattes, holographic shimmers, and molten metallics. It also has Luna, an ultra iridescent transformer shade, which can be applied on top of any of the other shades to create more unique looks. The shades in this palette are Heavy Water, a bright metallic teal, Sapphire Dream, a bright navy blue metallic, Electric Air, a pinkish silver with iridescent micro glitter, Antidote, a soft warm nude, Secret Keeper, a bright green satin with gold shift, Earthbound, a forest green satin with tonal micro shimmer, Elemental, a sienna matte, Volcanic, a bronze metallic, Lioness, a smoky burgundy satin with bronze sparkle, Firestarter, a deep red with gold micro shimmer, Dreamweaver, a bright pink matte, Ego, a soft pinkish purple with blue micro shimmer. Hex Remedy, a bright purple with iridescent sparkle. Fortune Teller, a metallic pink red with green 3D sparkle and shift. Silver Burn, a smoky purple with pink iridescent sparkle. Fool's Gold, a metallic gold with tonal sparkle. Moon Rock, a metallic copper with iridescent sparkle. Tectonic, a chocolate brown with iridescent micro sparkle. And Luna, a white shimmer with iridescent micro sparkle. I'm going to start this look by applying Urban Decay's Primer Potion all over the lids. The first shadow I'm going to pick up is Antidote, and I'm going to apply it above my crease across the eye. Even though this is the lightest shade of the mattes, you can see it's still quite pigmented. Then I'm going to apply Hex Remedy across my crease and bring it in on both the inner and outer edges to create a bit of a halo look. To deepen my crease and add some dimension, I'm going to apply Tectonic across the crease with a small tapered blending brush. Now I'm going to apply Ego to the center of my lids. You can do this with either your fingertips or a brush. Now I'm going to pick up Lioness and add it to the outer edges of the lid. I'm going to use the same shadow to apply it to the outer lower lash line. I'm going to apply Ego to the center of the lower lash line and bring it in towards the inner corner. To define the halo look, I'm going to apply Hex Remedy to the inner corner of the lower lash line and bring it up and around across the crease. And finally, I'm going to apply a light dusting of Luna to the brow bone. I'm going to finish this look by adding a winged liner and some false lashes. I'm also going to line my upper and lower waterlines. And here is the final look using Urban Decay's Elements Palette. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I post new videos every single week, so you'll get them right to your inbox as soon as they're live. Click to watch my last video or click below to see another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned.